Hey guys, today I'm going to explain how does blockchain technology work, and how types of blockchain. Let's start without time wasting. How does blockchain technology work? In recent years, you may have noticed many businesses around the world integrating blockchain technology. But how exactly does blockchain technology work? Is this a significant change or a simple addition? The advancements of blockchain are still young and have the potential to be revolutionary in the future, so, let's begin demystifying this technology. Blockchain is a combination of three leading technologies. Number 1, cryptographic keys. Number 2, a peer-to-peer network containing a shared ledger. Number 3, a means of computing, to store the transactions and records of the network. Cryptographic keys consist of two keys, private key and public key. These keys help in performing successful transactions between two parties. Each individual has these two keys, which they use to produce a secure digital identity reference. This secured identity is the most important aspect of blockchain technology. In the world of cryptocurrency, this identity is referred to as digital signature and is used for authorizing and controlling transactions. The digital signature is merged with the peer-to-peer network. A large number of individuals who act as authorities use the digital signature in order to reach a consensus on transactions, among other issues. When they authorize a deal, it is certified by a mathematical verification, which results in a successful secured transaction between the two network-connected parties. So to sum it up, blockchain users employ cryptographic keys to perform different types of digital interactions over the peer-to-peer network. How many types of blockchain? There are 4 different types of blockchains. Number 1, private blockchain networks. Number 2, public blockchain networks. Number 3, permission blockchain networks. Number 4, consortium blockchains. See you again in the next video, and please subscribe.